This is Betty Eggplant, a revolutionary crop helping Filipino farmers grow healthier, more abundant eggplants with fewer pesticides. But like any new technology, it has its pros and cons. Betty eggplant is engineered with a natural protein from Bacillus thuringiensis, a harmless bacteria that protects the plant from the fruit and shoot borer, a major pest causing heavy crop losses.
Sa una, katong wala po nagamit og bitter eggplant, mas kinapatay sa mga piste ang akong harvest. Pero karon, mas healthy og dili na ko gamit og pesticide.
Thanks to fewer pesticide applications, farmers save money and reduce chemical exposure, making farming safer to themselves and the environment. It also supports beneficial insects, improves soil health, and provides consumers with safer produce.
The eggplant has passed extensive safety evaluations. It is also safe for human consumption and for the environment, with no harmful effect on non-target living organisms.
But there are some concerns to consider. Some worry that pests might eventually develop resistance to Betty proteins, which can reduce the technology's effectiveness over time. Also, because Betty eggplant is genetically modified organism, there are ongoing debates around labeling, long-term ecological impacts, and market acceptance, especially among consumers who prefer traditional crops.
Ganahan kay ko mogamit og bitter eggplant, pero kanunay japon ko nagapaminaw og mga impormasyon o ginagamit japon ako ang kinaraang pamaagi para makalikay sa mga piste.
Betty eggplant offers promising benefits for food security, farmer livelihoods, and environmental sustainability if used responsibly and carefully monitored.